Cut a 42 centimeters length nylon string, then do an overhead knot at the end. Then burn the end to lock the knot. Do the same thing on the other end. Now let's join together using square knot. Then pull on both sides. This might not be a good looking pawn strap, but it can carry 5 kg of rice safely. By the way, let's try to increase the load. Let's make it 10 kg. As you can see, it can also carry a 10 kg of rice very safely. So in summary, this will be a good lifeline for our devices like action cam, mobile phones, and other recording devices. This is how to attach the nylon strap to the phone casing. By the way, in order for this to be effective, you need a good quality phone case. A phone case with a good fit on your phone. Okay, now let me show you what is the purpose of this string. And I will hook this one first. If my phone falls, it will save by this nylon strap. And if I will put this way, see, if I will put this way, then I will go on this area. If this one loosen during the vibration, my phone will not fall. See? And why I chose this phone holder? Simply because it is very versatile. I can switch to landscape easily, then switch back again to portrait. I can do panning, tilt it forward to do a front recording, or change the way you mount the phone clip. So you will have easy switching from Strava monitoring to videography or photography while riding. You can do panning, panoramic shots. This nylon string is also a good safety line for taking selfies. Or when you're outside, it will catch your phone when it falls. For example, someone bumps your arms or hands or bump at you. Simple and cheap gadget, but very effective. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.